First time with M&P shield?
Yeah.
Well, the 9mm, you already shot the 40.
Yeah, I've shot the 40, and it's a little snappy when I see how I like the 9mm. Ah, I fucking love this. Fucking awesome.
First impressions?
I love it.
You endorsed the 9mm M&P shield.
Hell yeah.
Now he's gonna see if he likes the, this is the 8 round mag plus 1 in the chamber, so 9. See how well he can handle it.
It's gonna be some fun. Very enjoyable.
Sucks that I have to put this over the camera.
Right?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do one-handed?
Am I? Just go like that and just one-handed? Cause I got the mag in this hand, I'm just gonna fucking drop, change, and...
You okay with your mag hitting the ground?
Yeah. Better way to do it is if you hold like this. So this is up here, and then when you go in, you can guide it with your hand, and then you just pop it in with your palm. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I lost my spot! Oh well.
Should be fine right there.
Should be alright, I'm an Eddie. Good?
Yeah.
I guess, countdown or just...
3.
Go!
Fuck. That fucking slide didn't want to go.
You got a bullet in there.
No, I don't. Oh, yes, I do. What the fuck? It locked back at first. I want to do that again.
I just count them in my head and I knew you had more. Hey, crap ammo.
That was a hot fucking round.
Are they?
That first one was.
Shoot them low.
Yeah, I'm not going to shoot this one right now. I'll stick it back in my pocket.
Yeah, that's fine.
That was nice and hot. So was that one.
Dude, those sound really fucking stout.
Dude, some of those are fucking hot.
I know. I got them on a estate sale, so those are all reloads.
2, 1, go.
Beat ya. I fucked that up.
That was a bad mag change. Fail. It's gonna be some fun.